bike, your ticket to adventure, convenience, and quality. At GoTrax, we've combined cutting-edge technology with unmatched craftsmanship to bring you the ultimate electric bike experience. One of the standout features of this bike is its exceptional foldability. With a quick and easy folding mechanism, you can take it anywhere, whether it's your daily commute or weekend getaway, or a fun day out exploring. And the best part? It's not just portable, it's incredibly fun to ride. The GoTrax electric bike is powered by a robust electric motor, giving you that extra boost when you need it most. This electric bike is built to last. We've spared no expense when it comes to quality. From a sturdy frame to its durable tires and powerful battery, you can trust that your GoTrax bike will stand the test of time. It's not just about power, it's also about control. The intuitive controls and user-friendly display that make it easy for riders of all experience levels to enjoy a smooth and safe journey. Recharging is a breeze with a GoTrax electric bike. Simply plug it in and you're ready for your next adventure. Join the thousands of riders who have already discovered the freedom, joy, and quality that GoTrax brand offers. Whether it's commuting, exploring, or just enjoying the ride, this electric bike has you covered. Experience the future of transportation and the convenience of GoTrax for yourself. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your lifestyle. Click the link in the description to get your very own GoTrax 20-inch folding electric bike. Available on Amazon today. GoTrax, where quality meets adventure. Get yours now.